Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will start chapter 9, that is measurement. So students, in this chapter we will see how to measure the things and the units which we use to measure the things. Okay. So students, open page number 121 in your book and just have a look here. First of all, we are going to see the units of length. How can we measure the length of an object? Okay. So the biggest unit is kilometer. This is the biggest unit to measure the length. After kilometer, we will see hectometer. HM means hectometer. DAM, this is showing decameter. Okay. Then meter, this is the standard unit to measure the length. Okay. After meter, decimeter, DM, then centimeter and then millimeter, which is the smallest unit of length. So now students, whenever we are going in this direction means whenever we are converting a bigger unit into smaller unit. So we have to do multiplication, multiplied by 10. Suppose we are converting kilometer to hectometer, have to do multiplied by 10. Okay. Now suppose we are converting kilometer to decameter. It means we have to do multiplied by 10 and again multiplied by 10. Basically we have to do multiplied by 100. Okay students, we are going in this direction. Okay, when we have to do multiplied by 10, but suppose we have to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit. We have to convert millimeter to centimeter. Now we are converting millimeter to centimeter. It means we are coming in this direction. इस direction में आ रहे हैं. So whenever we are coming in this direction, we have to divide it by 10. यहाँ जा रहे थे तो क्या कर रहे थे? Multiplied by 10. Now we are going in this direction, so we will do divide by 10. Okay, we are converting centimeter to decimeter, so we have to do 1 upon 10. It means divided by 10. Is it clear, students? As it is, we have to see for weight, units of weight. The standard unit of weight is gram. And the biggest unit is kilogram. Just look here, kilometer. Here we will see kilogram. Hectometer. So here we will see hectogram. Meter को change कर देना है gram से. Okay. Then decameter. Here we are observing decagram. Then gram. This is the standard unit. After gram, decigram. Then centigram. And the smallest unit is milligram. In length we have millimeter. Milli is same. Milli. Okay. But in length we have meter, in weight we have gram. Is it clear, students? As it is, we will do for capacity also. The standard unit is liter and the biggest unit is kiloliter, then hectoliter, then decaliter, then the standard unit will come. After this deciliter, then centiliter, and the smallest unit is milliliter. Is it clear, students? So in this way, whenever we are going in this direction, it means we are converting a bigger unit into smaller unit. We will do multiplied by 10. And when we are coming in this direction, जब हम किसी छोटी यूनिट को बड़ी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, we have to do divide by 10. Is it clear? Now we will see some questions. So students, open page number 124. So here we are observing exercise 9.1. Question is fill in the blanks. It means basically we have to convert the units. A part is 6 meter is equals to dash centimeter. So students, here we have 6 meter and we have to convert 6 meter into centimeter. हमें क्या करना है? मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में convert करना है. So how can we convert meter into centimeter? Just have a look here. So yes, we have to convert 6 meter into centimeter, right? So just look here, students. First of all, we have meter, so we have to observe meter in this table. Where we can see meter? Here. This is a meter. Okay. Now we are converting meter to centimeters, so we have to observe centimeter. It means we have to go first of all meter to decimeter, after this decimeter to centimeter. It means first we will do multiplied by 10 and again we will do multiplied by 10. So here we have to do 1 meter is equals to 10 into 10 centimeter, or you can say 100 centimeter. So now 6 meter is equals to, how can you convert 6 meter into centimeter? Simply you have to do multiplied by 10 and again multiplied by 10. Basically you are doing multiplied by 100 and it will be 600 centimeter. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 600 centimeter. 6 meter is equals to 600 centimeter. Okay. So now we will see the next question of exercise 9.1 B part, and the B part is 12 decimeter. In this B part we have 12 decimeter and we have to convert it into centimeter. So now again students, we have to observe decimeter in this table. Where we can see decimeter? Just have a look here. Here we can see decimeter and we are converting decimeter to centimeter, right? So here we are observing centimeter, it means we have to do multiplied by 10. What we have to do? We have to do multiplied by 10, and 12 into 10 is 120 centimeter. So what is the answer? Answer is 120 centimeter. Simple students. So now we will see one more question. So next question we are taking I part, and the I part is 8 kiloliter 150 liter and we have to convert it into liter. किसमें convert करना है हमें? Liter में convert करना है, right? So first of all you can see students, here we are observing 150 liter and we have to convert it into liter. So we can see 150 is already given in liter. 150 जो है वो already liter में है. So we no need to convert 150 liter into liter because it has been it is given in liter only. So now we will convert 8 kiloliter into liter. So just look here, kiloliter, and we are going in this direction. So we have to do multiply, and here we can see liter. So how many times we have to do multiplied by 10? 1 time, 2 time and 3 times. Right, it means we have to do 8 kiloliter is equals to 8 multiplied by 10, again multiplied by 10 and again multiplied by 10, and now it will be liter. It means 8000 लीटर. अभी जो 8 किलोलीटर है ये भी किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? लीटर में कन्वर्ट हो गया. एंड here we have 150 liter. So now 8000 liter and 150 liter we have to add them and we will get 8150 liter. So what is the answer? The answer is 8150 liter. Is it clear students? In this way you can convert bigger unit to smaller unit and smaller unit to bigger unit. Is it clear? Now we will see the next exercise, that is exercise 9.2. In exercise 9.2, now we will see addition, subtraction. So students, open page number 125 in your book. Question number 1 is add the lengths. It means we have to add them. And the units are given of length. It means meter, centimeter, kilometer, etc. So we are taking A part, 4 meter, 20 centimeter, then 12 meter, 6 centimeter and 18 meter, 50 centimeter. Okay, so we have 3 numbers here. First is 4 meter and 20 centimeter, ये पूरा एक number है. Okay, next is 12 meter and 6 centimeter and the last is 18 meter and 50 centimeter. You are observing 2 different units, meter and centimeter. So very simple. First you will write meter, then you will write centimeter. Okay, so in first number in meter we have 4. So here we will write 4 and in centimeters we have 20, so in centimeters we will write 20. This is the first number. Now we will observe the next number, that is 12 meter. Meter में क्या है? 12 है. So is it right students? No, this is not correct, because whenever we are arranging the digits, हम digits को जब arrange करते हैं, always we have to start from ones. हमें कहाँ से start करना है? Ones से start करना है. So here I will write 2, then here I will write 1. Okay, so now 12 meter, then 6 centimeter. तो अभी मुझे 6 कहाँ लिखना है? Here I will write 6, because we have to start arranging the numbers, we have to start arranging the digits from one side. Okay, so now the next number is 18 meter. So I will write 18, and the next is 50 centimeter. 18 meter, 50 centimeter. So here I will write 50 centimeter. Okay, यहाँ क्या कर सकती हूँ? 0 put कर सकती हूँ. Here also I can put 0. So now we have arranged the numbers. Now we have to add them. 0 plus 6 plus 0 will be 6. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 0. When we will add 2 to 0, we will get 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 34 meter and 76 centimeter. Simple or not? Simply you have to add the numbers. आपको arrange करना है numbers को, and then you have to add them. Okay, now we will take the next question. Question number 2. And question number 2 is add the weights. अब हमें किसको add करना है? Units of weight. So we are taking A part of this question. 4 gram, 60 milligram, then 19 gram, 175 milligram, and 42 gram 625 milligram. Okay, so again we have to arrange the numbers. Now how can we arrange the numbers? What did I teach you? कैसे arrange करोगे आप numbers को? First of all you have to observe the units given in the question. We have gram and milligram. So simply I will write gram and then milligram. Okay, now the first number is 4 gram. So I will write 4 here, then 60 milligram. So I will write 60 here. Now the next number is 19 gram. तो 19 मुझे कैसे लिखना है? 9 I will write here and then 1. Okay. The next is 175. So I will start writing the digits this side. 5, then 7 and then 1 I will write here. Okay students. Then the last number is 42 gram. 4 to 42, then 625 milligram. 625 milligram. Now I can put 0 here also and here also. Now we have to add them. Simply we will add 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 0 is 10. So I will write 0, 1 carry over. Then 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 6, 16. So 6 and then 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 0, 8. Okay. Now 9 plus 4 is 13 and 13 plus 2 is 15. So 5 I will write here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So your answer is 65 gram. 65 gram and 860 milligram. So 860 milligram. Okay students, in this way you can add the numbers. Now we will see the next question. Question number 3. And in question number 3 वी हैव टू ऐड द कैपेसिटी. अभी हमें किसको ऐड करना है? कैपेसिटी को ऐड करना है. ओके, सो वी आर टेकिंग क्वेश्चन 3 A पार्ट इज 15 kiloliter, 160 liter and 9 kiloliter, 75 liter. Again we can see two units, kiloliter and liter. So simply kiloliter we will write here and liter we will write here. Okay, जो बड़ी unit है ना, the bigger unit we will write this side and the smaller unit we will write this side. First number we have 15 kiloliter, 160 liter. So I will write 160 here. So now the next number is 9 kiloliter and 75 liter. Okay. So now 9 kiloliter, 9 I will write here. Okay. And 75 liter. So 7 and then 5 and we can put 0 here. Now we have to add the numbers here also. I can put 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 6 is 13, so I will write 3 here and 1 carry over. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2 and plus 0, that will be 2 as it is. Now 9 plus 5 is 14, so 4 I will write here, 1 carry over, and 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 0, 2. So your answer is 24 kiloliter and 235 liter. 24 kiloliter, 235 liter. This is the answer. In this way students you can do addition. Okay. So now we will see the next question. Question number 4, subtraction. Now in this question we have to subtract the numbers. So question 4 is subtract. We are taking A part of this question. 25 meter, 60 centimeter from 82 meter and 56 centimeter. Okay. So students, we have to subtract 25 meter, 60 centimeter from 82 meter and 56 centimeter. Question is, इसमें से मुझे क्या subtract करना है? ये subtract करना है. Okay, and this is the bigger than this. So first I will write that number 82 meter and 56 centimeter. So meter will come here, then centimeter. In meter we have 82, in centimeter we have 56. Now we have to subtract this number. इस number को subtract करना है. So now next I will write this number. In meter we have 25. So I will write 25 here and 60 centimeter. Centimeters में क्या है हमारे पास? 60. So I will write 60 here. And simply we have to subtract the numbers. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now this is not possible for me to subtract 6 from 5. 5 छोटा है, 6 बड़ा है. So now what we have to do? We have to borrow 1. तो हमें 1 कहाँ से borrow करना है? यहाँ से. And it will be 1 and it will be 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9 and 1 minus 5 is not possible. Again we have to borrow 1. It will be 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. This will be 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. And what is the answer? The answer is 56 meter and 96 centimeter. What is the answer? 56 meter and 96 centimeter. Okay. In this way students you can subtract the numbers. Now we will take a word problem, that is question number 7 we are taking. Question number 7. So question number 7 on page number 126 is the distance between Daksh home and his office is 15 kilometer. The distance between Daksh home and office is given in the question, and if he travels 8 kilometer and 350 meter by metro, उसने क्या किया, कुछ डिस्टेंस कवर किया, किसके थ्रू, मेट्रो के थ्रू. He has covered the distance 8 kilometer and 350 meter by metro. Now question is asking how much distance does he cover by some other mode of transport, right? So students, in this question we have total distance. Total distance कितना है हमारे पास, 15 kilometer that he has to cover. Okay, and he has covered the distance 8 kilometer and 350 meter. कुछ distance उसने cover कर लिया and we have to find the remaining distance. Remaining distance हमें find करना है. So what we have to do in this question? Simply we have to do subtraction. Okay, जो total distance है उससे हम क्या subtract करेंगे, the distance which he has covered by metro, then we will get the remaining distance. So now question 7 is distance between Daksh home and his office. Now the distance is 15 kilometer. This is the total distance he has to cover. Now distance covered by metro is equals to 8 kilometer and 350 meter. Okay, इतना डिस्टेंस वो किससे कवर करता है, मेट्रो से कवर करता है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस. द रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस इज now we have to subtract this number from 15 kilometer. 15 kilometer minus 8 kilometer 350 meter. Now how can we subtract the numbers? Just we have seen we have two units, kilometers and meter. So here we have to write kilometer and then meter. अब 15 में से इसको subtract कर रहे हैं, right? So first we will write 15. In kilometers we have 15 and in meters we have nothing, कुछ नहीं है हमारे पास meters में. So simply we will put 0 0 0. Okay students, now the next number is we are subtracting 8 kilometer. So now in kilometers we will write 8 and 350 in meters. So I will write 350 here. Okay, now we have to subtract them. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 5 not possible. We have to borrow 1. ये भी 0 है. Again we will come to this 5. We are borrowing 1 from 5. It will be 4 and it will be 10. Again we are borrowing 1. So this will be 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we can see 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay students, now we can see 4 and 4 is smaller than 8. We are not it is not possible for us to subtract 8 from 4. So again we have to borrow 1. It will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6 and it will be 0. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 6 kilometer and 650 meter. It means remaining distance is the distance which he has to cover by some other transport. The distance is 6 kilometer and 650 meter. 6 kilometer and 650 meter. Okay students, therefore he covers 6 kilometer 650 meter by some other mode of transport. Is it clear? So in this way you can solve the word problems. So here students, in this chapter we have seen some units of length, weight and capacity, and how can we convert the units and how can we solve the word problems of addition, subtraction. Okay, so I hope you understood this chapter well. Thank you.